Hey there. I wanted to share some tips that have really helped me gain more control over my mind. It's not always easy, but with a bit of practice, you can train your brain to work for you instead of against you. Here are 5 strategies that have made a big difference for me. 1. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is all about being present and aware of what's happening right now. It's kind of like when you're eating a piece of chocolate. Instead of just scarfing it down, take a moment to really taste it, Notice the texture, the sweetness, how it melts in your mouth. It's amazing how this simple practice can help you catch negative thoughts before they spiral out of control. Keeps you grounded in the moment. Example, let's say you're stressing about a big presentation at work. Instead of letting your mind race with worst-case scenarios, pause and take a few deep breaths. Focus on your breath going in and out. It's amazing how this simple act can clear your mind and reduce anxiety. 2. Engage in meditation. Okay, I know meditation can sound a little woo-woo, but hear me out. It's like a workout for your brain. It trains your mind to focus and stay calm. And you don't need to sit cross-legged on the floor or anything. Just find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and concentrate on your breathing. Even 5 minutes can make a difference. Example, set a timer for 5 minutes. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and count your breath. Inhale for a count of 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. If your mind wanders, and it will, gently bring it back to your breath. It takes practice, but it's so worth it. 3. Shift your focus. When those negative thoughts creep in, try to flip the script. Instead of thinking, I'll never get this right, shift to, I'm learning and improving every day. It's amazing how a small change in perspective can boost your mood and motivation. Example, I started keeping a gratitude journal. Each day, I write down 3 things I'm thankful for, like a sunny day, a good meal, or a friend's support. It's a simple practice, but it helps me focus on the positives in my life.